hear the rattling? That rattling noise? So that's just the one. The other one up on the corner, down the end. But that rattling, shaking noise, that vibration noise, the other one does it too. So 4.5 hours, that noise, 1:30 till 5:12 this morning. That one and the other. I know there's two that do it, but I don't know how many fans you have, but I know there's two for sure.
No, it's not on.
This one's not on. Oh, it is on. This one's quiet. But that one up there, there's a big noise from this end. So that's quiet, that's running right now. But that one there, you can see the fan blades there. Great big fan.